Hi friends, this is Naresh. In this class, I am going to explain about engineering drawing. And today's topic is construction of ellipse by using concentric circle method, arcs of circle method, and rhombus method. Okay, the question is draw ellipse by concentric circle method. Take major axis 100 mm and minor axis 70 mm long. Okay, the given data is 100 mm major axis and 70 mm minor axis. For concentric circle methods, you have to consider two concentric circles having diameters 100 mm and 70 mm. Okay, this is the procedure to construct the ellipse by using concentric circle method. So the first step is draw both axes as perpendicular bisectors of each other and name their ends as shown. So you have to draw a horizontal line. The length of the horizontal line is equal to the length of the major axis. The length of the major axis is 100 mm. So you have to draw a horizontal line of length 100 mm. Now you have to draw a vertical line of length is equal to the length of the minor axis. That is the length of the minor axis equal to 70 mm. So this length is 70 mm, and the length of the horizontal line equal to 100 mm. The length of the vertical line equal to 70 mm. These lines are intersecting, both are perpendicular to each other. Now you have to draw a circle. This intersecting point as a center, and diameter equal to the major axis and minor axis. Okay, the diameter of this circle is minor axis, and the diameter of this outer circle is major axis. Okay, so these both circles are concentric circles. Now divide this circle into 12 equal parts. Okay, you have to divide these circles into 12 equal parts. That is a 30 angle, 30 angle, 30 angle. The angle between each part is 30 angle, and okay, named as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, here 1 to 10 and AB, total 12 parts. Okay, this for inner circle 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, same. Now from all points of outer circle, okay, from all points of outer circle, draw vertical lines. Okay, draw vertical lines downward and upward. Okay, okay, from all points of outer circle, draw vertical lines. Okay, draw vertical lines downward and upward. Okay, upward like this, and from all points of inside inner circle, draw horizontal lines. Okay, draw horizontal lines to intersect the previous vertical lines. Okay, this is the intersecting point of a vertical and horizontal line. Similarly, from second point you have to draw horizontal line. Similarly, you have to draw a horizontal line from point 4. Similarly, from point 5, from point 6, from point 7, from point 9, from 10. Okay, so these are the intersecting points. These are the intersecting points between horizontal and vertical lines. Mark all intersecting points properly, as those are the points on ellipse. Okay, join all these points. Okay, join all these intersecting points along with the ends of the both axes in smooth possible curve. Okay, so this thick line, this curve is called ellipse. Okay, it is required ellipse. Okay, in this concentric circle method, you have to construct two concentric circles. Okay, this inside circle having diameter equal to minor axis, and for outer circle the diameter is major axis. And then after, you have to divide these circles into 12 equal parts. Okay, and named as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, then after, you have to draw vertical lines from all points of outer circle, and then after, you have to draw horizontal lines from all points of inner circle. The intersecting points are called points on ellipse. These are the required this is the required shape of the ellipse. Okay, this is the final answer for ellipse by using concentric circle method. Now coming to the another model, that is major axis AB and minor axis CD are 140 mm and 100 mm long respectively. Draw ellipse by arcs of circle method. Okay, you have to construct a ellipse by using arcs of circle method. Here the length of the major axis is 140 mm and the length of the minor axis is 100 mm. Okay, these are the steps to construct the ellipse by using arcs of circle method. First of all, you have to draw a horizontal line. The length of the horizontal line AB equal to length of the major axis, that is AB equal to 140 mm. Okay, now consider O is the midpoint. Okay, midpoint of this AB line. Now draw a vertical line. CD having length is equal to the length of the minor axis, that is the length of the CD line equal to 100 mm. Okay, the length of the minor axis is equal to 100 mm. Now for arcs of circle method, you have to find the location of focus points, that is F1 and F2. You have to find to locate the focus points F1 and F2. Consider you have to consider OA, the length of OA as half of the major axis, and you have to take it OA as radius. Okay, OA length as radius, and point C or D as center, and radius equal to OA. Okay, OA equal to half of the major axis, that is 70 mm. From OA equal to 70 mm, draw arcs. Okay, center C and D. Okay, center C or D with radius AO equal to 70 mm. Draw arcs cutting AB line. Okay, at F1 and F2. Okay, you have to consider OA as radius and point C or D as center. Draw arcs on AB line. Okay, these F1 and F2 points are called fixed points. Fixed points are focus points. Now mark number of points 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and so on in between focus F1 and F2. Okay. So here with F1 as center, F1 as center and radius equal to F1 as center and radius equal to A1. Okay. F1 as center, radius equal to A1. Draw arcs on both sides of AB like this. A1 as radius and F1 as center. Okay. Draw arcs. Draw arcs on both sides of AB line. Similarly, F2 as center, B1 B1 as radius. Okay, B1 as radius, cut the previous arcs. Okay, F2 as center, B1 as radius, cut the previous arcs. Similarly, F1 as center, A2 as radius. Draw arcs on both sides of AB. Similarly, F2 as center, B2 as radius. Cut previous arcs like this. Okay. Similarly, F1 as center, A3 is the radius. Draw arcs like this. Now F2 as a center and B3 as radius. Cut previous arcs like this. And repeat this procedure for A4, B4, A5, B5. This is A4, B4 distance. Okay, A4, B4 arcs. Similarly, A5, B5. Similarly, for A6, B6. Okay, repeat same procedure for all points. Next, A7, B7. Now A8 and B8. And mark all intersecting points. These are the intersecting points and named as P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 and so on. Now draw a smooth curve. Okay, draw a smooth curve through these intersecting points. These intersecting points P1, P2, 3, P4. Okay, this is the quarter portion of the ellipse. This is the half portion of the ellipse. This is the complete shape of the ellipse. Okay. Now this curve is required ellipse. Okay. In this arcs of circle method, you must consider the location of focus points. Okay, F1 and F2. You have to divide the distance F1 and F2. Now it is also same for arcs of circle method. Now I repeat same procedure for to locate the focus points F1, F2. You have to consider half of the major axis, that is AO as radius and center C, with center C or D. You have to draw arcs on AB line. Okay, so this point is F1 and this point is F2. Okay, so F1 F2 are called focus points, focus or fixed points. So AO as radius and with center C, you have to draw arcs on AB line. Okay, to locate the points F1 and F2. Now mark some points between focus F1 and F2. Like this. Now F1 as center and radius equal to A1. Okay, F1 as center and radius equal to A1. Draw a arc. Okay, similarly F2 as center, radius equal to B1. B1 as radius, F2 as center. Draw arc. Okay, this is the intersecting point of arc, both arcs. Similarly repeat F1 as center, A2 as radius. Draw arc, and F2 as center, B2 as radius. Cut previous arc and repeat same procedure for A3, B3 and A4, B4, like this. There is intersecting points named as P1, P2, P3, P4. Join these points by using smooth curve. This is the quarter portion of the ellipse. Repeat this procedure for another section, another portion. So this join all these intersecting points. Repeat same procedure for bottom portion. Okay. As per the definition, ellipse is the locus of point P. Okay, this is the point P, locus of the point P moving on a plane such that sum of its distances from two fixed points, that is for example I consider P1 as a point, fixed point. Now the sum of distances from F1 P1 plus F2 P1, okay, is equal to the length of the major axis. Okay, this is the definition of ellipse. Now to draw tangent and normals to the curve from a given point. So this is a ellipse. Now for this ellipse you have to draw tangent and normals at a given point Q. So here I consider point Q on ellipse. So you have to draw tangent and normals for this point. For this condition, you have to locate the points, that is focus points F1 F2. Join point Q F1 and similarly join line Q F2, and then after bisect the angle between F1 Q F2. Okay, this bisecting line is called normal line, and then after draw a perpendicular line. This perpendicular line is called tangent line. The angle between normal line and tangent line is 90 degrees. Okay, this is a tangent line, and this, okay, this is a tangent line, this is normal line. Okay, draw rhombus of 100 mm and 70 mm long diagonals and inscribe an ellipse in it. So you have to construct a ellipse by using rhombus method. Okay, this is the procedure to construct the ellipse by using rhombus method. First of all, you have to construct a rhombus by using given dimensions, that is 100 mm and 70 mm. Okay, this is a 100 mm line, this is a 70 mm line. So first of all, you have to draw a horizontal line that is equal to 100 mm, and you have to draw a vertical line of length 70 mm. Then join the corners. Okay, this is the position of a rhombus. Then you have to locate the midpoints, mark midpoints of all sides. Okay, this is the midpoint of this side, and this is the midpoint of this side, and this is the midpoint of this side, and this is the midpoint of this side. Okay, mark all midpoints of all sides. Name those A, B, C, D. Okay, join these points to the ends of smaller diagonals. Okay, like this. Join these points. Okay, join these points to the ends of smaller diagonals. Okay, like this. These are the intersecting points. Okay, this is 1, named as 1, 2, and 3. This is 4. Okay, named as 1, 2, 3, 4. Now taking 1 as center and radius equal to 1a, 1a or 1b. Okay, take 1 as center, 1a or 1b as radius. Okay, draw an arc. Okay, 1 as center and radius equal to 1a, draw an arc like this. Similarly, 2 as center, 2d or 2c as radius, draw arc like this. Okay, here 2 as center. Okay, 2 as center and radius equal to 2d or 2c. Now similarly, 3 as center. Okay, point 3 as center and radius equal to a3 or 3d, draw arc like this. And similarly, 4 as center and radius equal to 4b or 4c, draw arc like this. This is the final curve of the ellipse. Okay, this is the final answer for rhombus method. Okay, thank you.